Hello and welcome back. Have you ever considered servicing your beard trimmer or electric razor? Well, today we're going to learn how to do just that. I have a Braun Cruzer 6 beard and head, so the disassembly will be specific to that, but the principles can be used across most brands of beard trimmers. If you're noticing your trimmer is dragging at the hairs more than usual, then it's probably time for a service. At the very basic level, removing any hair from around the blades can help the blades move more freely, giving you a more comfortable shave. The electric razors or beard trimmers usually come with a little brush to help do this. The next thing we can do is to sharpen the main cutting blade so it will slice through the hairs more easily and reduce the painful dragging sensation. With the Cruzer 6 you can access the blades by pulling open the blade compartment. A further pull with a gentle twist will detach the blade holder from the main body of the trimmer. Now the way these electric trimmers work is by clamping together two flat blades using a spring in this case. The internal blade is slid side to side at high frequency, which cuts through any hairs in between. To sharpen the internal blade, I need to detach it from the spring holder, and this is done by applying a bit of force to unclip the metal blade from the black plastic holder. To sharpen the blade, I'm using a wet stone which I've pre-soaked in water for about 5 minutes. Starting on the slightly coarser 400 grit side, I'm going to hold the blade at about a 30-degree angle to the stone. I apply a little bit of pressure as I move the blade across the surface. I then flip the stone over to the finer 1000 grit side for that extra sharp finish. Once we're finished with the sharpening block, we can simply push the blade back into the clips to reattach it to the blade holder. The final stage is to apply a few drops of light machine oil to the moving metal parts. This keeps everything well lubricated and free to move. I'm using this versatile oil from Singer. It only takes a few drops in between the blades and around any other moving parts. Once that's done, we can reattach the head onto the body of the razor by pushing it back into the clip and closing the head fully. One more little drop of oil onto the secondary trimmer to keep that moving freely, and the service is complete. I'd recommend doing this every 4 to 6 months depending on usage, and you really extend the life of the trimmer. Thanks as always for watching. Like and subscribe if you found this useful. See you next time.